Fashion Superstar at MTV, powered by H&M. 18 से लेकर top 10, top 10 से लेकर top 4 semi-finalists. It's been one hell of a ride and we're in for every moment of it. It's now time to go and meet our fashion influencers. So let's get this party started.
Semi-finale, baby! Though I got by through just this much, I'm still in the semi-finales, and since I'm already here, I'm in it to win it.
Hello, guys. Hi. Or should I say, hello, semi-finalists?
Semi-finalist?
You like that better? Yeah. I like that better too.
I am in the top 4. I take a deep breath, and we get ready to get to know कि आज भाई करेंगे क्या?
Today is a very, very big day. Because at the end of today, we will have our finalists, our top 3 contenders who will battle it out for that one title of being the Myntra Fashion Superstar. So, your semi-finale challenge will be selling your content.
भाई से बचो.
मुझे ये लगता है, confidence always stems from knowledge. To be confident about selling your content, आपको अपने प्लेटफॉर्म की, अपने ऑडियंसेस की, अपने सब्जेक्ट की प्रॉपर नॉलेज होनी चाहिए to be able to sell this product to your followers. Fashion influencers, so let's test your fashion knowledge.
फैशन का भट्टा जीरो है भाई. मेरे को बहुत बेसिक चीजें पता है, बट मुझे एग्जैक्टली नहीं पता कि ऐसे नॉलेज में क्या होगा.
And guys, to add to the stakes, जो इस फैशन क्विज को जीतेगा, उसे मिलेगा एक बहुत ही बड़ा H&M एडवांटेज.
इस टाइम पे आके सेमीफिनाले टास्क में कोई छोटी सी भी एडवांटेज मिल जाए ना, तो वो आपके फेवर में ही काम करेगी. तो मुझे तो डेफिनेटली लग रहा था कि ये चाहिए.
तो ये होगा एक फैशन क्विज. मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछूंगी, जिसका जवाब देने के लिए आपको मिलेंगे सिर्फ 30 सेकंड. उस 30 सेकंड के अंदर आपको मेरे सवाल के मैक्सिमम पॉसिबल आंसर अपने क्यू कार्ड पे लिखने हैं. The person who writes the least number of things as their answer is out and doesn't make it to the next round. And your first question is, name different shades of the color pink.
जब इतना प्रेशर होता है ना, तो मैं तो उनमें से हूँ जो गड़बड़ कर ही देती हूँ. जितने नाम मुझे पता भी है, वो भी मेरे दिमाग में नहीं आ रहे.
5 seconds to go.
I can't think anymore.
Stop.
बस कर भाई.
Let's start with Edwin.
Hot pink, baby pink, coral pink, matte pink. That's it.
4. Matte pink, by the way, is not an answer. So technically, you're at 3. Asmita.
Carnation pink, salmon pink, baby pink, nude pink, dark pink, light pink, reddish pink.
Light भी wrong है, dark भी wrong है. These are adjectives. These are not legit shades of pink. So right now, you've got 4 right answers. Let's see what Mark has in store for us.
Honey, fuchsia pink, baby pink, pastel pink, hot pink, Rani pink, mauve, lavender, lilac, purple, metallic pink, neon pink and fluorescent pink.
Well, Mark, after that, you're in the lead because you have 6 right answers. Well done.
भाई मैं हैरान हो गया कि इतने सारे शेड्स होते हैं और मेरे को पता नहीं, मतलब आज तक मैंने एक्सप्लोर ही नहीं करा.
इसका मतलब ये है मृदुल
कि मेरे को
कि
7
अगर
करने पड़ेंगे.
आपको इस कंपटीशन में एडवांटेज के लिए रहना है.
I know.
Let's go.
Baby pink, neon pink,
Neon pink,
dark pink,
dark pink.
जो कि है.
Dark pink, as you know, is not the right answer, which means Mridul, आपने सिर्फ 2 सही जवाब दिए हैं.
जी.
And unfortunately, that means you're out of the running. 3 influencers in the running. Are you ready for your next questions?
Yes.
Let's go. Name different articles of makeup. Come on, guys. Huge H&M advantage on the line.
आई एम अ प्रोफेशनल मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, तो मैं तो भाई साहब लिखते गया.
3, 2, 1. That's it. Let's begin with Mark.
Okay. Liner, base, foundation, concealer, mascara, blush, primer, eyeshadow, eye primer, liquid liner, cake liner, TV pan stick, compact powder, face powder, setting spray, loose powder, brushes, fan brush, spray makeup, airbrush makeup liquid, highlighter and contour palette.
Woo! Out of the 20 answers that you gave me, I'm very, very happy and proud to tell you कि 15 answers उनमें से सही है.
I'm happy.
The makeup artist in you is alive and kicking, and well done.
Thank you so much.
Asmita,
Liner, kajal, mascara, lipstick, gloss, primer, foundation, rose water, highlighter, blush, lash primer, skin toner, blush brush, highlighter brush, eye brush, foundation brush, concealer, compact powder.
आपने मुझे दिए 18 जवाब. उन 18 आंसर्स में से you got 13 answers right. Good job. Edwin, let's see if you can beat Asmita's score and still stay in this competition.
So I've written makeup brushes, lipstick, rouge, blush, setting spray, lashes, contour, those gems that you put during Coachella, primer, lip balm, eyeshadow, face glitter, curler, palette, serum, lip tint, lip gloss, powder, BB cream, color corrector, foundation, concealer, mist.
आपने नेम किए 24 makeup articles. But unfortunately, you have only managed to get 18 right!
My God, Gaura.
Mark, do you have something to say now?
Oh my God, you managed to beat the in-house makeup artist here.
See, sometimes being an underdog pays off.
Very well done, Edwin. You
Thank you so
clearly
much.
aced this round. But this also means, Asmita, unfortunately, आप इस fashion quiz से out हो गई हैं.
अब तो हद ही हो गई यार. एडविन, तू तो सही में अंडरडॉग निकला यार. कहाँ से शुरू किया था तूने, कहाँ पहुँच गया?
Asmita, please swap places with Edwin. Edwin, Mark, ये है आपका final round. अब जो मैं आपको क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी, उसके आप आंसर्स लिखेंगे नहीं. You will predict and tell me, according to you, how many answers do you think you could give me? Almost like a bidding war. जिस influencer का guess number बड़ा होगा, only that influencer will get a chance to answer that particular question. लेकिन कैच ये है कि अगर आप अपने क्लेम को मैच नहीं कर पाए, your competitor automatically wins the H&M advantage. Let the bidding begin. Name different kinds of footwear. Mark.
6,
6,
7,
7,
8.
9.
9. Okay.
I'll stick to 8.
You'll stick to 8. Starting right now, name 9 different kinds of footwear. Go.
Heels,
Heels,
flats,
flats,
flip-flops,
flip-flops,
gladiators,
gladiators,
Crocs,
Crocs,
boots,
boots,
pumps.
pumps,
What else? What else? Wedges,
wedges,
and fourth could be moccasins.
Out of the 9 types of footwear that you named, only 8 were correct. 1 out of your list was a brand and not a style of footwear. And that also means that, Mark, congratulations!
You're welcome.
You are the winner of the H&M advantage.
भाई बेवकूफ़ी है एडविन की. एडविन या तो उसके भाई दिमाग के घोड़े शायद से घास खाने चले गए हैं या पता नहीं, भाई एडविन ने बताए ही सिर्फ 9। अरे भाई तू 10-15 बता रहता, अगर एक आध रिजेक्ट हो जाता तो बच जाता, बट भाई एक वर्ड हुआ रिजेक्ट और वो पहुंच गया 8 पे और सीधा सीधा मार्क बिना एक शब्द बिना एक आर्टिकल बोले जीत गया।
It's time now to dive into your semi-final challenge. Your challenge today is a collab with brand H&M. इस challenge में आपको ब्रांड H&M के लिए एक वीडियो लुक बुक क्रिएट करनी है। आपको अलग-अलग सिचुएशंस दी जाएंगी जिनसे ये लुक बुक इंस्पायर होगी। You guys will get 90 minutes for this challenge. And here's where Mark's advantage kicks in. Mark, while they get 90 minutes, you, my friend, get an extra 15 minutes.
अरे यार क्या कर सकते हैं अब। दुख मुझे हो रहा था क्योंकि मेरे को वो 15 मिनट की बहुत ज़रूरत थी।
आपकी सिचुएशंस एक फिश बोल में रखी हुई है। When I say go, आप जाके अपनी पहली सिचुएशन फिश आउट करेंगे और जब आप इस पहली सिचुएशन को पूरी तरह एग्जीक्यूट करेंगे, then and only then will you come back to me for situation number 2. मेरे पीछे है एक प्रॉप वॉल। अगर आपको इनमें से किसी भी चीज की जरूरत है, feel free to use it and make your brand film look better and stronger. As you can see, H&M has spoiled you with the very best. It almost resembles an H&M store. So go out there and make sure you use all these beautiful articles to your advantage. जो भी इस चैलेंज को जीतेगा, उसे मिलेगा a 1-year contract with H&M.
Everybody leaves. This is mine.
I love this. Are you guys ready?
Yes!
Let's go.
For today's challenge, I'm so excited because it's H&M and I love their collection and also their accessories are really good. So I'm pretty much excited.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Okay, Mrudul, you go first. Let's read them.
Your best friends calls you in a need of big night out. Dancing is on the card. How do you style it out?
Your friend is taking you out on a surprise weekend getaway. The only information that she has given you is to dress warm.
You're chairing a panel for a fashion influencer show. What outfit would you pick to feel confident and bold while keeping your authenticity?
Edwin.
You are heading to a small meet and greet in your neighborhood. This is your first ever event post-lockdown.
Wow, that sounds exciting. So guys, now that you have your very first situation, your semi-final challenge starts right now. Go for it.
Hey guys, go on the Myntra app and press the Myntra Studio icon to watch Myntra Fashion Superstar now. Superstar.